Everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So as I promised you in my previous video that I'm going to bring a video to clarify your doubts or to provide you some guidance whether you should wait for the results of Delhi University or you should pay the part payment of 40,000 in IP University. So let's start. So actually most of the students, those who have filled their forms in IP University, they must have filled their forms for Delhi University also. So means I think everybody will have their first choice, definitely the top colleges of Delhi University, but this IP University comes in between, means it comes as a rescue for those aspirants who are not able to go through the like high cutoffs of Delhi University. So and now another thing is that the ranks and the results of IP University will be declared before Delhi University, and then the children will be asked to pay a part payment of 40k. So now you all must be wondering whether you should pay this part payment of 40,000 कि कहीं हमारा पैसा डूब तो नहीं जाएगा, कहीं हमें फिर बाद में DU में मिल गया तो क्या होगा, और अगर हमें DU में जाना पड़ा तो हमारी पेमेंट रिफंड होगी नहीं होगी, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. So I'm going to clarify all your doubts in this video. So watch it till last, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do it, right? Because every day I'm bringing new videos for you guys only, for your to help you all, and I'm really working very hard for this. I want that all of you should subscribe to the channel and share these videos with others also. Yes. So actually what is the thing that now we should see the dates of IP University and Delhi University. Means IP University, they have asked you to fill the counseling fee till 10th of October, right? And Delhi University will announce its first cut off from 12th of October. So now what will happen कि 10th October से पहले IP University का most of the admission process will be done. Most of the children will get this information that they have to pay the fee. Means if in the first round you will not pay this part payment of 40,000, then you will not be eligible for the second round. So this thing is there, means that is compulsory. If you want to participate in the further rounds of counseling, you have to pay this payment of 40,000. So now you all must be thinking कि बाद में DU में आ गया तो क्या होगा. So here I want to tell you कि no need to worry about that, क्योंकि DU you can't say anything, right? Cutoffs of Delhi University are definitely going to be higher this time, because in my that video in which I told you about DU cutoff schedule, there I told you that university itself has mentioned this thing that this year the number of students, those who have filled their forms for these DU admissions, has raised 3 times. 3 गुना बच्चे ज़्यादा हैं इस बार, and the students who have scored more than 95%, that has also doubled. So you can assume कि definitely cutoffs are going to be higher. St. Stephen's cutoff you can check out that it is also very high, and so you should think कि आप सिर्फ DU के भरोसे नहीं बैठ सकते, आपको एक सेकेंड ऑप्शन लेकर चलना ही पड़ेगा. और अगर आप यहाँ पर 40,000 पे कर भी देते हैं, there is no harm in that. The only thing is that you should arrange this much amount in advance, because anytime results may be announced, and suppose your name comes in the first round and you will have to pay this amount. So ask your parents also कि इतना amount ready करके रख लें. So after that, if you pay this amount of 40,000, you can withdraw it if you want. Whenever you want, you can withdraw it back. A little bit amount, I think 3,000 or something will be kept back. Otherwise, you can withdraw it. But here one thing is there that you will have to be very careful कि for this withdrawal also certain time periods are given. कि 15 days के अंदर आप withdraw करेंगे तो इतना कट होगा, 1 month के अंदर करेंगे तो इतना कट होगा. So means little bit risk is there, means little bit part of your 40,000 will be kept back definitely. But I think that will be compensated. If you get in means admission in Delhi University, so definitely there the fee is much lower than कंपेयर टू आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी। सो थोड़ा बहुत तो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा, थोड़ा बहुत रिस्क लेना ही पड़ेगा। तो आप ये रिस्क बिल्कुल ना लें कि हम 40,000 नहीं पे करें और हम सिर्फ डीयू की वेट करते रहें और डीयू के भरोसे बैठे रहें, तो दैट मे प्रूव harmful for all of you. So I think you should pay, you must pay rather 40,000 payment in IP University. थोड़ा बहुत नुकसान आपको झेलना भी पड़ सकता है, बट वो नुकसान नहीं होगा, वो एक्चुअली में कॉम्पेंसेट हो जाएगा बिकॉज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी की फी बहुत कम है. So I think this much information is enough for all you guys. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can follow Kingdom of Learning on Instagram also. You can ask me your questions there also. I will always try to answer your questions. Already I am answering all your questions, but I want that all of you should subscribe to the channel, you should like the video, and you should share it with others also. So thank you all of you.